Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get your code from Emergent AI. Let's begin. First, log into your account, and once you are on the official website, if you haven't built your code yet, go ahead and once you're done, it should look something like this. You should be able to have you should have the option to click on code. Go ahead and you will have the link, the password. So I want you to copy the password first for your VS Code link and then open a browser. You should open a new window or a new tab and then just go ahead and paste your password. Click on submit. Next, once you're in the environment, you can explore pretty much everything in here. You can click on emergent. We have here, as you can see, the code. We have the front end. You can pretty much explore everything. And of course, you might want to make some adjustment first. Go ahead. Once you've successfully configured everything, I want you to close. I'm going to click on the app and you should have application over here. You can pretty much right click any code over here and then choose the option download. Then choose your path file destination. It will basically download everything for you, but you can do pretty much, but you can actually make all of the adjustments here inside VS Code if you don't want to download anything on your PC. As you can see, it is now currently downloading at least 20-ish out of 1000 files. So just be patient. And pretty much that's how you can easily get and grab your codes from Emergent AI. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.